Hello everyone, this is Anna from English with Kakibana and welcome to another video. In today's video we are going to be learning the pronunciation of the popular song called Stay with the Kid LAROI and Justin Bieber. And learning English through songs, learning the pronunciation is a really good way to learn because it's fun and you can do it over and over again anytime. If you like learning English through pronunciation and through songs, then make sure to watch my other videos. I'll leave a link in the description below and also up here. And I will be explaining the pronunciation using the symbols and sounds of the International Phonetic Alphabet, which I explained in other videos. So I will also leave a link in the description and also up here. If you like this type of video, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Okay, so let's get into today's song. I do the same thing. The same. The is with schwa. The same. Connecting these two words together. The same thing. The same thing. Thing, the NG, we don't pronounce the G and it becomes a nasal sound. Thing, thing. I do the same thing. I told you that I never would. I told you, connecting these two words together. Told you that I, connecting these two words together, that I, so that T, the T becomes like a D sound, that I never would. In this case, we're connecting these two words together, so it's like a schwa on the end of never, never would. Would, we don't pronounce the L and it's U sound. Never would. I told you that I never would. And the stresses are on these words. I told you I'd change. I told you I'd change. So I change, this is short for I would change. And I, the pronunciation, we don't really pronounce the D, but the tongue has to stop at the top of the mouth. I'd change. I'd change. Even when I knew I never could. Even when I knew, the K is silent. I knew I never could. I never could. Again, the L is silent, could, and never, like schwa, never could. Know that I can find. Know that I can't find. Know that I, again, that I is connected, the two words connected, so the T is like a D pronunciation. Know that I can find. So in this song, even though the Kid LAROI is Australian like me, Australia we say can't, but in this song he says can, like American pronunciation. Can find. And because the two words are connected together, we don't really pronounce the T, but we make it a long pronunciation. Can find. Can find. And find, the D is very soft, or you don't pronounce the D. Can find. Know that I can find nobody else as good as you. Nobody else as good as you. Nobody else. Now in this song they say nobody, but technically correct grammar it should be anybody else, because we use the negative. I can't find anybody else. It should be, but in some songs they say nobody else. Nobody else as good as you. As, we use schwa, so it's as good as you, as good as you. Nobody else as good as you. I need you to stay. I need you to stay. I need you, so connecting these words very quickly. I need you to stay. So the two becomes, because it's connected together, it's like a d sound with schwa. Need you to stay. Need you to stay. I need you to stay. I get drunk, wake up. I get drunk, wake up. I get drunk. So when we connect it together, get, the T is like a silent one. We just stop the tongue at the top. Get drunk. Get drunk. Wake up. We connect these words together. Wake up. Wake up. I'm wasted still. I'm wasted still. So wasted, the D is kind of soft, and we connect every word together. I'm wasted still. Wasted means drunk in this case. I realize the time. I realize the time. So normally we just say I realized, but in the song he says I realized, to make it another syllable. So it's like schwa, realized. The time, the is schwa, and then we connect the two words together. The time that I wasted here. That I wasted here. So that I, connecting these two words together, so the T is like a D. That I wasted here. Again, the D at the end is like top of the tongue, pause. Wasted here. Wasted here. And because it's a song, we don't pronounce the R very strong of here, like schwa. Wasted here. That I wasted here. I feel like you can't feel the way I feel. You can feel the way I feel. Again, can is American pronunciation and the T is soft. You can't feel the schwa, the way I feel. You can't feel the way I feel. I'll be fucked up. I'll be fucked up. So I'll be, connecting these two words together, I'll be fucked up. So this is normally like a bad word, a swear word. Fucked up, the k sound, fucked, k sound is very soft. Fucked up, and we connect these sounds together. It's T sound at the end. Fucked up, top, fucked up. If you can't be right here. If you can't be right here. T is soft. Right here. With right as well, the T is soft, the tongue just stops. Right here, and here with schwa. If you can't be right here. When I'm away from you, when I'm away from you, when I'm connecting, when I'm away, connecting these words together. When I'm away from you, from is like schwa, from you. When I'm away from you, I miss your touch. I miss your touch. So because it's fast, your becomes like your touch, your touch. I miss your touch. You're the reason I believe in love. You're the reason I believe in love. Again, you're the, so very short. You're the schwa, you're the reason, zin is with schwa. You're the reason I believe in love. I believe in, again, because it's connected, we use schwa. I believe in love. I believe in love. It's been difficult for me to trust. It's been difficult for me to trust. It's been, and because it's in a song and it's short, it's been is very short and it's with schwa. It's been difficult, and the T at the end is soft. It's been difficult for me, again schwa, for me to trust, schwa, to trust. It's been difficult for me to trust. It's been difficult for me to trust. And I'm afraid, and I'm afraid, and is just like n sound, And I'm afraid. I'm sound is schwa, so I'm afraid, and I'm afraid that I'ma fuck it up. That I'ma fuck it up. Now this sentence technically, grammatically, is that I'm going to fuck it up, but we make it short in speaking or in songs, is that I'm that the T becomes like a D, that I'm a schwa, that I'm fuck it up, connecting these words. It is like and the T becomes like a D sound, and connecting these words together. Fuck it up. And the meaning is that do it incorrectly or do it badly. Ain't no way. Ain't no way. Ain't, this word is common in songs and sometimes in speaking in a very informal way, but basically it's the negative of anything in that sentence. So ain't no way in this case is there is no way. So ain't no way, and ain't, the T is silent because it connects with no. Ain't no way that I can leave you stranded, that I can leave you stranded, that I, the T becomes a D and connects, that I can becomes like can, schwa sound, that I can leave you, leave with long sound, leave you stranded. So the last D is soft as well. That I can leave you stranded. That I can leave you stranded. 'Cause you ain't ever left me empty-handed. 'cause you ain't ever left me empty-handed. 'Cause means because, and in speaking we make it 'cause, and in this case even shorter with schwa, 'cause, ain't ever, so the T is soft, connecting together, ain't ever. And because it's negative, in this case it means you have never, never because it's negative. You ain't ever left me, so the T is very soft, hardly pronounce it. Left me, empty-handed, empty. So the P is very silent, you just put the lips together. Empty, empty-handed. And you know that I know. And you know that I know. So and is like again. And you know, the K is silent. And you know that I know, so connecting again, that I, and that is like schwa sound, that I know, that I can live without you, that I, connecting, that I can't live, connecting, can't live without you, so connecting these together, that I can't live without you, that I can't live without you. So that is the end of this song. I really hope that you learned something and that you can improve your pronunciation with this video. If you liked it, please give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel to see more videos like this. Thank you so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you next time.